Hey, aviation fans! I'm bursting with excitement to dive into the adrenaline-pumping world of fighter jets, specifically focusing on those jaw-dropping high-speed passes that leave us all in awe. So buckle up as we zoom through the skies with the speed demons of the Air Force. Imagine this, a serene sky suddenly shattered by the roar of an engine. Out of nowhere, a fighter jet zooms past, so close you can almost touch it. The ground trembles, your heart races. That, my friends, is the thrilling art of a high-speed pass. But what makes these passes so electrifying? Let's break it down. First off, the sheer speed. Some of these jets, like the F-22 Raptor or the MiG-35, cruise at speeds that can easily surpass Mach 2. That's over 1,500 miles per hour. At such high speeds, they compress the air around them, sometimes creating a sonic boom that echoes across the horizon. Then there's the skill of the pilots. Performing a high-speed pass isn't just about pushing the throttle to the max. It requires precision, perfect timing, and an intimate understanding of the aircraft's capabilities and limits. These pilots train for years to execute maneuvers that frankly defy gravity and all your expectations. And let's not forget the element of surprise. In many air shows, the high-speed pass is often used as a dramatic finale, catching the audience off guard and leaving them craving for more. It's not just a display of power and speed, but also a testament to human ingenuity and the advances in aerospace technology. But there's also a strategic side to these high-speed passes. In combat, these maneuvers can be used to outmaneuver an opponent or make a swift escape. It's a game of chess at supersonic speeds, where every move could be the difference between victory and defeat. So, next time you witness a high-speed pass, whether in person or through a screen, take a moment to appreciate the complex ballet of physics, engineering, and human skill that makes such a heart-pounding spectacle possible. It's not just a fast jet crossing the sky, it's a symbol of human achievement and the endless pursuit of pushing boundaries. All right, sky enthusiasts, that wraps up our quick tour of the exhilarating world of fighter jet high-speed passes. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and your spirits soaring high. Remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Fly high, everyone.